For 60 years, CDIL has been a leading light, illuminating the way for India's semiconductor journey. Our transistors, diodes, MOSFETs, and other semiconductor devices have played a pivotal role in advancing India's electronics sector. From budding engineers to seasoned professionals, CDIL's components have empowered countless companies and individuals, turning their ideas into reality. From the lights and ACs in your house, to your car, to our national railways and even the country's space programs. You may not have known it, but CDIL Semiconductors have allowed them all to work smarter and more efficiently. The story of every CDIL device starts with our engineers, who use their expertise, honed through years of wafer fabrication experience, to collaborate with top-tier chip foundries and craft high-quality wafers. These wafers arrive at our assembly, test and packaging plant located in Mohali, Punjab. Spread over 40,000 square feet, the plant features 12 semiconductor packaging lines and a skilled workforce of over 300 professionals. After arriving, the wafers are mounted onto a mylar adhesive and carefully cut into individual dies using a diamond-edged blade. This dicing process supports 6, 8 and 12-inch wafers, including specialized processes tailored for silicon carbide. In the die attach process, a bonder uses a digital wafer map to pick up good dies from the wafer and attach them to a copper lead frame. Our process supports a wide range of techniques, including eutectic, soft solder, solder paste, and silver sintering, ensuring optimal mechanical and thermal performance. Gold, copper, or aluminum wires are then used to connect the die to the terminals of the device, using ultrasonic and thermosonic precision arms. For high-voltage devices, ribbon bonding or clip bonding is used in place of wires, ensuring better reliability at high currents and temperatures. The lead frames then move for encapsulation, where a protective molding compound encases the package, ready for it to be singulated into individual devices. For ceramic and hermetic packages, a specialized sealing process is used instead, meeting the stringent requirements of defense and aerospace applications. Each device is optically inspected and put through a meticulous 200% electrical testing plan, ensuring that every part meets or exceeds its device specifications. Qualified parts are laser marked and packed in an integrated inline system. At CDIL, quality is not just a commitment, it's a tradition. In our cutting-edge automotive and aerospace high-reliability lab, we rigorously stress test each lot under extreme conditions, including rapid temperature fluctuations, high humidity environments, corrosive atmospheres, and intense acceleration forces. These exacting standards ensure that every component consistently exceeds the highest international benchmarks for performance. The final devices leave our facility and head to our customers to get assembled into their products, powering the next set of innovations in consumer electronics, transportation, solar energy, and more. With India's growing leadership in electronics manufacturing, CDIL is scaling its capacities and investing in R&D on emerging technologies like silicon carbide to push the boundaries on cutting-edge devices. Today, CDIL's legacy is not just its components, it's our dedicated team, from engineers to support staff, who are the driving force behind our success. From wafer to final packaging, CDIL's commitment to excellence is evident at every step of the process. Empowering tomorrow's technology today. CDIL Semiconductors. Legacy, quality, trust.